If you've been hunting for a laptop that's basically a Swiss Army knife for work, art, and AI wizardry, just stop right here because Lenovo's Yoga 9i2-in-1 Aura Edition isn't just another sleek device, it's a powerhouse packed into an ultra-thin frame. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Lenovo Aura Edition is a 14-inch 2.8K OLED screen showstopper coming with HDR, 1100 nits of brightness, and a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, making every image pop like it jumped off a magazine page. Lenovo's PureSight tech automatically changes visuals to protect your eyes while keeping colors vivid, so binging, editing, or drawing feels next level. Inside, the it flexes an Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU paired with an Intel Arc GPU, 32GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD. Performance-wise, it eats through daily tasks, heavy multitasking, and creative projects, though hardcore gaming isn't where it shines. Fortnite runs on low settings, and anything more intense will make the frame rate wobble. But honestly, this laptop isn't for gamers, it's for creators, professionals, and anyone who wants a machine that works as hard as they do. The AI integration is where it truly shines. Co-Creator turns sketches into polished art, Live Captions translates dialogue in real time, and Recall tracks everything you're working on, all while keeping performance smooth. The 2-in-1 design has a touchscreen and yoga pen, which means it doubles as a digital notebook or canvas, making it ideal for artists and note-takers alike. Coming in cosmic blue for $1,729.99, the Yoga 9i Aura isn't cheap, but with one of the best displays on the market with AI tools built in and the versatility of a laptop, tablet, and artistic studio, it's a premium experience that's worth every dollar. Are you planning to buy this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.